Hello guys and welcome back. We are scalping once again with the FlowPro bot. On this chart I have the bot paired up with the Bollinger Bands indicator. This is quite a basic indicator. I'm sure you guys know what it is, but the indicator shows you where price is oversold or overbought. So if it gets to the upper line, it's basically telling you that the price is a little bit overbought, and price usually tends to return to the mean. So a lot of reversals happen at the upper and the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands. So you can combine this with the bot to basically get an insight into where reversals are happening and where you can expect to go long or short. So just as an example, I'm going to set it to long here because we are at the lower band, and if the bot is detecting a lot of buying pressure at this level, then you know we're very oversold and a reversal is going to occur. And we'll see if we have any buying pressure here, because the market is it's just ranging at the moment, and when it's ranging like this, it does kind of bounce between the upper and the lower band, and we get filled there. So we do get filled into a long, and I just set it back to both there, because when markets are ranging like this, I like to just keep it on both longs and shorts, because sometimes it's unclear where price is going to go. And of course I wouldn't use Bollinger Bands on its own. It just gives you an insight into the price action, but of course it can reach the upper band and it can keep going up. So we're doing well in this particular trade. It looks like, yeah, we have hit our take profit. We actually get filled instantly into another long. Wow, again another win. We're just going to click short here because it's very overbought here because of the Bollinger Band. So we'll see if we get, so we got a reaction, it looks like. We'll see if we get filled short. Because the market is ranging, it's going to be bouncing between these two levels. Okay, we get filled into a short. I am using quite a bit of capital in this session, so that's why you see the profit is already up to 1100 USDT. So we'll see if we can have a few more wins, and it looks like we might win this one. Okay, another great trade. That's 3 very quick trades. Now I'll pop up on the screen the settings I'm using for this. Trade frequency is surprising. I'm surprised to get 3 trades back to back basically, but okay, we get filled into another long. Now we're not quite at the lower band, so this is interesting. You know, like I said previously, I wouldn't treat the Bollinger Bands as gospel. You know, it doesn't always reach the band to reverse the price. So we are heading up, and we're very close to our take profit. Okay, very good trade. Already up 2000 PNL, guys. This is crazy. Now I am using a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, so my wins are slightly bigger than the losses. And I always recommend a positive risk to reward ratio, guys. I would never use sub 1. So we're just moving up here. Again, heading towards the upper band. I'm just going to keep on both longs and shorts because I was just kind of giving you guys an example of how you can use the Bollinger Bands. And if price does react negatively to the upper band, you can short the market. That's up to you guys, but again, sometimes it reacts at the upper band but still keeps going up. So we'll see if we get filled short here. Looks like, you see again, there's another reaction at that upper band. Yeah, we are on the 10-second time frame, so this is quick scalps. Not huge trades. Again, moving down. So we're bouncing between the upper and the lower band right now. Okay, so we'll see here now. Will we get a reaction at the lower band? I'm surprised I didn't get any shorts there. That's a big move. A lot of market orders just jumped in. So we'll see if we get a reaction here. If we get long, that means that the algorithm is seeing a lot of buyers stepping in, and that's what the FlowPro bot does. It uses the footprint chart values and order flow to detect enormous buying pressure. Okay, now it's detect selling pressure in an already oversold kind of condition. So we are going short at the lower band. This sometimes is not a good idea, and we might lose this one because price has already moved down, and you know, you're going into another short hoping the price is going to continue going down. Doesn't always work like that, you know. We have some support levels down here, so we will keep those in mind. And it looks like we'll actually win this one up to 2,700 US dollars. This is going very, very well. A little surprised that I'm winning all of these trades. It's not always like that. You know, the win rate, it's never 100%. Like any algorithm, you're not going to find a trading bot in the market that's just always winning. You know, it's just not possible really. But that's why I use order flow to enhance my chances and enhance my win rate. So here's the support level. It looks like there is a bit of a reaction on it. Let's see. This is where I'd want to take longs, because on a low time frame like this, if there is a reaction here, then you know, price is going to bounce back. But I'll keep it on both. Okay, I'm going to switch to long here. Let's see what happens. Because we got that reaction. Okay, I'm gonna switch it back to both. I'm not sure where price is going. I'll just let the bot decide. There we go. Okay, we got buying pressure. We got filled into a long. So we'll see if we can win this one. That was quite late. The up move already kind of happened. The reaction from the support level, it already bounced back, and now it kind of filled us long quite late, but we are going up, so we'll try and win this one. And we do win that one. Okay. So on the micro level, it was kind of downtrend, you know, on the very micro level. So I'm surprised we won that one too, but again, the bot is proven to be quite good in these conditions. So we got filled short and we lose that one instantly, which is completely fine because we were on a really good winning streak. I'm okay with losing one trade. I don't want to get into many more trades. I'd like to call it there quite soon. We get a really bull move here. A lot of volume just stepped in. Got filled long. Okay. The high wick is not a good sign. I don't know if we win this one, but you never know. Okay, we're still in the green, and we might, let's see, can we get stopped out here? I may call it here if I win this one. So it's already up almost 3 grand, so okay. That's a great win again. Let's see if we can get one more trade. That's the thing, when you're on a winning streak, you get greedy, but you need to know when to stop as well. So I'm gonna keep it on both. We are a little overbought here, but not quite at the upper band. So we'll see if we get a long or a short. This is gonna be my last trade. Win or loss, I'm gonna get out because I'm quite happy with the gains we've made. Okay, big moves down. Let's see what happens. This is looking like another pullback. Okay, we don't get filled. You can also use the Bollinger Bands as a target for your take profits. So for example, if I get filled short here, I can use the lower band as a target for my profits, you know, because if price is bouncing between these two levels, you can expect price to reach either the upper or the lower band. But that's not always the case, so I personally like using the risk to reward ratio method, but there are reactions at certain levels in the price action. You do need to be aware of where price can reverse. Okay, so it looks like we are making a higher low. and we get filled into long. So no matter what, this is our last trade, guys. The TP is right at that upper band, which is good. So let's see if we can win this one. Call it there. Okay, very volatile. We're in the profit, and let's see now. Okay, perfect. Gonna switch the bot off because we are up 3,800 USDT profit, and we are gonna call it there because I'm quite satisfied with that, and that's a good trading session again. One little loss. One little loss out of many wins, so I'm not going to complain. So guys, if you enjoyed that one, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next trading session.